Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by herpetology? So, let's get started. My friends, herpetology is the branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibians, including frogs, toads, salamanders, newts and the gymnophiona, and reptiles, including snakes, lizards, amphisbaenids, turtles, terrapins, tortoises, crocodilians and the tuataras. Do you know? Herpetology is very important. Why it is important? Because herpetology offers benefits to humanity in the study of the role of amphibians and reptiles in global ecology, especially because amphibians are often very sensitive to environmental changes, offering a visible warning to humans that significant changes are taking place. Dear students, herpetology is a branch of biology concerned with the study of the amphibia, approximately 6,700 species, frogs, toads, salamanders, newts, and caecilians, and reptilia, approximately 9,000 species, turtles and tortoises, crocodilians, tuatara, lizards, and snakes. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.